terrible reputation, and the sick were looked after at home. And girls were not preferred to take care of men. One who gives care is looked down socially. Care of the sick was still closely allied with superstition, religion, and magic. People used to believe in tantrics much more than the healthcare facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th of May 1820, a baby girl was born in a small town called Florence in Italy. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents and they wanted her to become a socialite. But she preferred to avoid it. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick, and poor in the village near her from a very young age. When she determined to pursue her true calling, Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of the struggles with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in the 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive in her performance, and hence she was promoted as a superintendent within a year. In October 18, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers. The injured soldiers were taken to various base military camps, and England was in an uproar about the neglect of their injured soldiers. Nightingale received a letter from the Secretary of War in late 1854 asking her to organize a corps of nurses to take care of the sick and fallen soldiers on the war side. Nightingale rose to her calling and quickly assembled a team of 34 nurses and sailed with them to Turkey where her duty was assigned. In Turkey, she was shocked to see the overcrowded, unhygienic hospital. This place is so dirty and dark, sacrilege. It's a she was Florence, always deserted and lost.